imagine that I put a gun next to your head and I tell you that you have to build a superhero physique by the end of this year or you're gonna die. And now, if the first thing you do is to sit and plan out everything, read about, research about like the rep ranges and the perfect exercises for like hypertrophy and shit, I can already shoot you, bro. Like, I can already, quite seriously, I can already pull the trigger. You're dead, bro. You're dead. You're not gonna make it, bro. Basically. Why? I'm gonna tell you right now. Now, to understand it better, I have to tell you about two of my friends from my class, right? So when I was probably as young as you are, and I was still in high school, I remember I had two guys in my class. Of course, I had more, but the story is about those two, basically. So, the one, let's just call him GigaChat. The GigaChat, and let's call the other the nerd. Okay, it's gonna be like that. Okay, so they both had a dream. They wanted to build a business. And now what was Nerd doing? That Nerd basically, he was like sitting there and reading books. He was watching all of those Ayman Gadzi videos. He was over like speedrunning content. He was reading everything about content creation, the best hooks, everything, bro. He was constantly reading, getting knowledge. And while doing that, GigaChat did something entirely different. What he did was actually, he would sit there and just record videos randomly. He would just randomly start a Shopify store and he would sell random shit on internet. And sometimes he would make a couple of dollars, sometimes he would lose like a couple of $100s, but he would like do something, right? But the nerd, with the same time, he was sitting there reading. By the first month, Nerd knew everything about business. But GigaChat had the advantage that you probably right now don't see. GigaChat already spent like a month of trying out different things. He already had 1 month in experience more than the first guy. And of course, both of them were kind of in the same place. They both haven't not make that much progress, but GigaChat had more actual progress. He had more money made with online business, and actually he was way closer to the goal. Now, your muscles, they don't work by you reading the articles on the perfect rep range or perfect like training routine. No, they work when you go out and train as hard as you possibly can. That's hard. That's it. I can end that video right there. So if you don't have that much time, if you really want fast results, stop overcomplicating shit. Just go to the gym and train. That's all, bro. Now the second thing, I want you to kind of become like the stupid friend from your class. There's always that one guy in your class who's like stupid as hell. Basically, he's like octopus probably have more IQ than that guy. And somehow he manages to pull out girls. Basically, somehow he's like an all-star. Basically, everybody like loves him. Like girls really like him. And you're like wondering why he's like such an idiot and why? Well, he does not overcomplicate talking to women. He just does it. It's the same thing you should do with the gym. Basically, just stop overcomplicating it. And if you don't know what to do with the gym, here are the most fundamental things that you have to know. 10 to 20 sets per muscle group per week. Start with 10. If you don't grow after a couple of weeks, increase the number of sets, basically. 2 grams of proteins per kilogram of body weight. If you weigh 70 kilos, you eat every single day 140 grams of proteins. It's easy, bro. Train till the failure. Every time you go to the gym, make it as hard as possibly can. Unless you are on some kind of a deload, which is probably if you are just beginner, you probably don't need a deload right now, right? So just go and train as hard as possibly can. And track the weights that you are using, track the exercises that you do. to keep track of the progress that you are doing. Basically, it's just like 4 things you have to... Really, you want to overcomplicate those 4 things? Really? And the last, but the most important point in all of that, you have to kiss. But not your homies. Kiss us. In programming, right? I'm a programmer. There's this acronym KISS, which is like keep it simple, stupid. Right? Us is like, I just added it to be more fun. Who would like to just kiss when you can kiss us? Whenever something does not work in your training routine, there are just 3 core fundamentals that you have to look up: workout, diet, and regeneration. If your workout is good enough, see the diet part. If your diet, like you hit your macros, you hit your proteins, you hit the carbs. If diet is okay, look on your regeneration. If something doesn't work, it's one of those 3 things. Just that. So whenever you are stuck in your bodybuilding journey, just see those 3 core pillars and just ask yourself, how can I make sure that they are actually fulfilled to 100%? But okay, for me it's really simple and everything, but actually I know how hard it is when you have like those 3 basic stuff, but for some reason you just stop growing. Sometimes you just need somebody who will actually tell you what the hell you are missing. And if you need that kind of help with your bodybuilding journey, or you don't know anything about bodybuilding and you want to get a physique like this, check out the first link in the description. Subscribe to this channel to help me create more videos like this for you. Do your best and leave the rest to God.